As the music is stopped, we officially start the program today. We'll get plenty for talk, even though we write small, but we will talk plenty. Because if we not talk plenty, many things the way our people, they don't know what will happen as far as the revolution be concerned. Would I see put time today say my message to the interim government of the Federal Republic of Ambazonian and all the LGAs cheers. Yes, fellow Ambazonians, we can share and then meet our people the way they do for Ground Zero, especially them, me they assimilate, me they get the information for which way we talk because we supposed to give Ambazonian people the for Ground Zero hope. For me, they know say we they stand firm with the revolution and we they will follow them till the end of the revolution and we want the revolution end as fast as possible and it will end. Wait till I get a message for talk with the interim government of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia and the county chairs. I think say we go towards the end of 2020. Where 2021 it become another new phase because we don't know the strategy where the colonial republic they put in place. I think say the internal government and all the LGA chair and the county heads now time this way any man where they would evaluate your activities during these past years or during 2020, even if it is sleep for class, you better wake up or you step down, another person take the position. Because my brothers and sisters, this one will be politics. Time for politicking, it never reach. I mean say time for politicking, it never reach Ambazonia. Now we need active people where person they will call your phone for midnight. You pick them. Our restoration forces, they will give you their cry for Ground Zero. You respond with immediate effect. We don't need now time for overdo protocol. This time now time for action. We there for war. Move forget about too much protocol. We act very fast. Because we see a lot of things already happen. I talk this one especially for the defense department because now the defense department hold this revolution. The defense department and the financial department now they hold this war because when the money no day, we know we'll get the materials, and when the defense not put enough strategy, how we prosecute the war, we will fail even though we get the money. So now the two offices in this way. We not going to joke with them. Not only me for you to talk, but as you wake up all Ambazonians, where they don't put their face outside there, where the feet talk as me and they talk so, we will start hit these two offices. The financial and the defense department, they will be alert at all the time. The financial department will do all possible means for to say me money day and me day. They're going to do all the strategy. They're going to do all the marketing strategy where it needs for move money for Ambazonian people their pockets for fight this war. Now, why the way when they want to put you as a defense, as a financial officer of any domain, they know say you get the capability for move money for people their pockets. You get the capability for manage the people that finance. You get the capability for keep the people that records of finance. Now, why the way you see, I said this man a financial expert. Because in that domain, if you, the financial department or the resource and mobilization OT, if at the end of the year, we not even move money for convince the Ambazonian people, because nobody all my way he there for this war, he thinks say if you give money, but we going to do all convincing methods for see me they see into our crime, me they see into our genuine cause where we fight the war for move money for people their pocket. And no say the fight will be fight, not fight for all man. But some people they think say, some people they want say, me you preach, you talk every day, you convince it before he move money, gear, me fight the war. If he be say the person wants say me lick last, now what will the fight? Any person who wants say even as me lick last, take the money for fight the war, take them. And at the end time, you go talk. So at the one talk of the financial department, we get a transparency account, because when people contribute money, first thing, na transparency. And when transparency be, the next coming contribution, it will be enormous. When you want to say about war draft, not be anything. And if I talk about war draft, we never even start for what the ambassador people they think. Ambassador people they think say they will give. And the resource and mobilization and the finance department and all the like, they will give a transparency account so that 2021 the RPGs will decline. We know the decline normal RPGs. Will decline and say RPG short. Will decline and say the number of material they short. We know what Christ say we want to purchase material, because with the money where we go get them, we go not purchase material the way we go. The Christ say we need more than this. Now you go to the defense department, because I mostly talk this one. I don't care for what are the what the department is. I talk mostly of the defense and the finance department as far as this revolution be concerned. Because now the two key positions in that way, now the two key offices in that way will give to end this war. Either we like it or we or not. When the defense department is slow, I think say by now, these RPGs where we will cry every day for social media, I think say before one will cry, the defense therefore don't tell we the strategy. Because I deal with LGism. I want to tell you that something. LG is in the way they be capable of buying these RPGs. All the LG, they get money where they get for buy, they get be capable of buying these RPGs. But now, who's how we get this material? When they put you for defense department as a defense this or this, your function not be only be say you go call a fighter for Ground Zero for take a strategy, because you be ex-military man, you know how to fight. You don't go Iraq, you go fight in Iraq, you know how to fight. You are scoped. Your scope they will be beyond. You will think international. International. My brothers and sisters, we don't fight this war. Now November, it go to an end, December they come, we enter the phase of 5 years. Because they start killing our people for 2016. Now 4 years of the fight. We enter the phase of 5 years for the fight. We get the defense department to evaluate. As far as diplomacy be concerned, now how far the defense department don't go. Because the ambassador people, even though some people they will talk say we no can disclose pertinent facts for social media. We know we can disclose our intelligence for social media. We know we can disclose the defense strategy for social media. We never talk say they can't talk say we don't do this material and they for this. No, the ambassador people need to know the level at which we did, because all we will fight the fight. And we define the most possible gunshot, the most possible means where we use them for reach boya. If we get the means gunshot of user, now we define, and the people they get will be informed and they get paid, and so that it will be motivating factor. Go make the people know say they are alive. Me they know say we dey for this place, we dey for this place. We just remain a short step. Few steps for Richard Boya. Ambassador people need to know which side they stand now. Which side, as far as the revolution be concerned, which side we stand. We need to know that for the defense department, because we go towards the end of the year, we give evaluate what achievement for this year for 2020, and then now we see which side will be go wrong for 2020, and then so that we will perfect them for 2021. We will know our strength and our weakness. We will know our strength and our weakness. Then to the internet government, The internet government no be na some man papa personal property. Where some people think say they fit engulf the internet government and then make the year only for them. No. The internet government not dey like a cabal in Yaoundé, where they don't engulf La République. They think say they go year only for them. Our beg our excellency. We know say the tax is not easy. But this war nothing way we need for the tax experts. You feel pull some man for office today, you know work today. You don't get the for no say because you be just appoint this man today for this office. When you dismiss it tomorrow, it will be a scandal or this or go. No, we didn't have a war. You will dismiss anytime. Any man will not be active. You will put it today. You say I should not be active. You will dismiss it. We want to see a lot of dismissal as far as the internet government be concerned. One year say this man will be functional, he be dormant for a position. They don't give you don't bear a title. Say you be chief of defense of this, you be this of this, where you need to do your function. 1 year and almost dismissal, or sanction, or sack. Another people come with enough energy for put up with the revolution. Because I did talk this one now because I see the defense department for the internet government, it be too slow, and the defense department they leave the work where they're supposed to work for the LGAs for work that work. I tell you something. The defense department for the internet government it work for the 13 counties. It get powers. Now they work for the 13 counties. When something happen, they even have Indian, even have outside, they give come in immediately. The defense department too slow. The defense department is slow. And you see now, we thank God to the LGAs and counties. Now LGAs they try now for come in very powerfully. While the defense department for the internet government it is slow. It need to be active. Why? Look, if some people in the way they don't put for position, I want to talk this one for the defense and even the LGA chair. And you see Tokam, and I'll keep repeating every time. Some people in the way they don't take for this revolution. They bear the flag, they support the revolution. They come on social media, it holla, it cost La République, it say La République na enable us, they kill the people, but they go behind for delay the revolution for their personal gain. I want to talk this one for Ambazonian people, when I like, when I take them or not. We'll get Ambazonians then, where they inside the internet government, they inside the counties, they inside the LGAs, where they don't call them. They say, "Bo, are you saying I will control the LGA? Yeah, I will be chairman of the LGA. Okay. Wait till you say, me, mayor, I know what I mean my area you hot. You hear? Tell your boys them, me they don't touch any civilian, me they play the code. And then Mutu, I go talk for me they know attack now. Me play they don't be the quiet. Me any man respect himself, then you there for payroll. You there for payroll. Now why that way you see say it's just your LGA where ideas they come for people that ideas them. Say me the launch attack, me they do this. You will hear the chairman first way will first time and say, "We no want to launch attack, we get abort. We no want to launch attack, we get abort. We not verify for that fight they will down say they will launch attack because waiting. Because they work in alliance with the fighter. They don't tell the fighter wait where they will benefit where they don't go attack. Wait till I move for Thomas say, and we get tattoo all inside the internet government. where they call you and internet enable they call you, they say this issue is this so, this issue is this so. Me be so and again. I said and again. LGH years and the way they call hierarchy for internet government for cover up when their subjects don't kick against them. They shall call the chairman in the camp can call entourage inside the internet government for cover itself. Then the internet, the people of the internet government will come, they don't even verify. For listing for the population, they conclude for favor the chairman because they get a command of change for destroy the revolution. My fellow ambassadors, my fellow citizens of this revolution, this revolution not be man a papa, a personal property. This revolution now fight for 8 million people. We dey fight the ambassador, we dey defend the ambassador flag, we dey defend our land. So no man, no born of a woman get more rights over you. When they give $1,000, you when you struggle with your own sweat, you give $50. You not get equal say. Yes. Because me no give you $1,000. You just say, yes, this man a potential contributor for this revolution. They die $1,000 equal for back to destroy the revolution more than. And you thought we give to be wise. We give to be wise, sir. My country people. We give to be very wise. Now they time this for we. And as far as the talks of the internet government and the LGAs and the county, we the citizens of Ambazonians, well, we the bona fide contributors, well, belong to the LGAs, we get now we get a responsibility for start evaluate our activities, our contribution during 2020. Which are you go wrong and which are you go right, so that you too as an individual you go perfect yourself. You go know say at the end $2,000 this year I be give only $50. Wow! If I be give this money $100 or $2,000 or $500, we go for search ourselves. Then we go back to our county and LGA. Now well, they inside LGA. Now we get to stand for bring all those chair people, finance, wait to book. Now we will ask the question. We get to pressure all the county chairs and all the whole evaluation meeting for 2020. Wait it come in. Wait we spend how much it remain. What do our weakness? The challenges we face on ground zero. We have to start that one. The challenges where we face on ground zero. How much it can wait. And then if we ask if we get our weakness, if we act this, how it will be, then we perfect them. We know say if we get now $50,000, we succeed for do this. We succeed for do this. If we add that money for $100, $100,000, you now how the situation will be. That means say we forgo more than that. Now the thing in that way, we supposed now for starting for ask our LGA chair, because some of them be corrupt. They be corrupt 100%. And you talk with facts. I need to talk with Gabo. Most LGs chairs them. You see what when I see what will happen with ADF the key our fighters. My brothers and sisters, politicking. If you see ADF, the key our fighters. You know say politics. It play inside the game plenty. I'm telling you, I say when ADF be launched attack for picking the Muguzan, I'm telling you that say man will be the control person be control commando at that time where we start saying they now he can't talk on Facebook all the time say they go crush ADF don't do this. Now that same person will go back, they form an alliance with the ADF, mean they reconcile with the fighters. I want to tell you now what way it go on. Because like Ambassador, they will be active for Facebook, will be active for writing, and will be active for watch, and will be active for criticize. We will put our eye shine. I will go put our eye shine. The issue they have with Obui. Now Obui where they kill that our brave fighter. We go to investigate that issue very well. When issue happen like that one, we will not just jump in. We go for no say ADF. No be wa brothers. What happen? The attack ever since. We never hear some talk. We never beg me. I never investigate. But when we want go deeply, you go hear say ADF be don't reconcile. They don't know say ADF will can attack this. Now the problem that we will get a revolution. I tell that because I experience some, I witness some. What will happen with Guzan? Carrying also ADF the Brits for Guzan because we will not be also with enablers. People the way you trust them, you give them the power and the security. This they work for behind. They can't tell for meeting different things. They go for behind. They talk different things. Now when we investigate, we know say Mr. Sikot was he handled not be clean with the ADF. Now why don't they see some of them say they be neutral? They know them with the IG, the respect the Amber Peace Plan, they be the neutral. Now so you define that kind of people. Now we will go for analyze the show, the live show we get with the professor for Somaliland. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, will be when I be watch that show. I think say that show it will be now one of the best of kind show where I know the ABC TV, you know, they invite diplomats, international people, but as far as all these international people they be concerned, that show for ABC for that professor for Somaliland, it will be like one of the best show where I don't ever watch them for our TV. Now, what do we learn for that show? We learn a lot. We learn a lot for that show. And if now whatever I say, if the Defense Department is slow, we ambassadors again was that point finger, I mean they go out. We learn a lot. We not only learn a lot for that show as far as diplomacy be concerned. We learn even military intelligence for that show. We learn military intelligence for that show. Now, people don't really think say divide will be divided. This revolution will not be divided at all. We not be divided. When I hear what the man be talking now, he talks say they will get people with diaspora. People with diaspora, they don't want, they need one the independent of Somaliland. And they get people that will grant 02 every day. And they get enablers they work for Somali government. Somalia government. Somalia government will get people where they not believe for that ideology. The same as we will get Ngole them, Atanganji, and all the like, where they not believe for our cause. But you see, in due time become, now that government nobody trust them again. Now that government nobody trust them again. Why? Because they know say the people, even though they work with them, they know say they be spy. They be spy. It's a division be there. Division be there because the man won't believe that he this, but they be get a government. Like how we want to get the government. So when someone say a fraction, it must there. And we must find our way for bring all man to board. But we know say fraction will be Even your mommy, boy, in all they agree for one thing. P square, they the day. P square, they are twin. P square, they are twin. They the day. Now they don't split. They talk of millions of people. We talk of millions of people here. In a thousands of people. They don't must agree. They don't must agree. But we get a common goal. We say peace square day. Now twin and that they don't agree. Only man they split. So, but now go touch peace square. When you touch other man, you will see whether they divided or not. They will can't join you, they'll fight you, then they come back, they be that divided as they be. So, fellow comrades, that man is sure teach you a lot of things. Tell us what thing. The internet government, the defense department, as of now, we're not supposed to get, because something in the way they say, when we talk intelligence for Facebook. We need to talk intelligence for Facebook because I'm not intelligent, but if they buy a RPG, show me, I will show up in the Republic, I get RPG. Why don't they hide and say, I'll tell you, the Republic demonstrate it on. We will tell them what we will be capable of doing. The defense department, we don't need plenty of things, they don't need for talk. They're slow. They're slow. They're slow. More forget this aspect of, we think say na European, na UN, now this man will give independence. The independence, now we will take that independence by ourselves. By ourselves. The man to come. He said when they be fight, country no be believe and they no be support them. They will stand their ground for fight until they take them. And now country don't say come in. And they fight the same cause where they fight. The same challenges where they be facing. Now the same challenges where Ambazuna they face of now. Okay, we'll finish that one before I come for the real topic RPGs. Because now RPG will end the show. The same problem where they be facing. Now the same problem where they face. So I think say that man, Chris Anu get for the bring that man once a while. Me tell the ambassador people, me give you more hope. Because that man talk that day, I get more hope. That man talk that day, I sleep, I dream, I don't reach Oboya. He talk that day, I know say true. That means say we stand for the right path. Yes, no dance, we need the dance. That means say we stand for the right path. When I follow his show, you know say ambassador, we did 100% stand for the right path. Then you go to the ambassador of Canada where he used a statement say, our revolution, say we want control our autonomy, but as far as independence be concerned, you need to see the reality. Yeah, I'll respond to it. You know, we see the reality. Good. Because of it, we will never show the reality. My fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, when I see that garbage where the man for Canada right arm, I need to blame me. Yes, I need to blame me for using that kind of statement. But now when one proof for you say that statement where is a wrong statement, not be tweeting, Facebook, writing, talk. When you want to defend your title in action, when you want to play match, football match, when you get confidence say you will win that match, they tell you, linesman or a match delegate, because we call them a match delegate, they tell you say no win that match, so you resign or you go back to house and not play that match. You get confidence say you will win that match. No, you go play the match. After you play the match finish, you win the match. You tell the magic they say, repeat that statement, what if he talk? He will say no, he be sorry. He be think say that was a strong part shoe. Now why that way be talk that talk? Now we the ambassador they will react that statement. And why react that statement that ground zero will react? No be now we get to motivate we. That statement, you get to tell we tell ambassador say, why do man use this statement? Now because say We never do action enough. Upon all the armor car, where we sell every day. See, when they kill them, this way we don't do them. Economic sabotage. That means it don't be enough. That means we give a triple our action. We give a triple our action. We give a tear the La République. We give a build La République. That means all we go for come on board. Every man will sleep, he will come sleep. Say, eh? So everything say this world it can't end. Like what's really matter? That means we never even start. We never even start. We don't use AK, explosive. What is the next? For tell this man, really man change that statement. I want to tell you something. We don't know how many times when Tibo Nagi, he don't talk, change statement. We don't know why. We don't know why he change statement. When they see hot action, they change statement. When they see cold action, they change statement. When they see hot action, they talk in our favor. When they see cold, they talk in La République our favor. So they think La République the free will because you know. So when you use your statement, American embassy in La République. We know that one very well. Say Canada embassy in La République. So you know if you use a statement where there was people that country anyhow. Now know which way they be happy for ambassador for American ambassador for Libya. They be drawing for months. So me don't think say if they will I don't think say as I they will La République still do undo. So but now what we will go do now say when he talk that kind of statement we be quiet. Now we mobilize. We mobilize, say, okay, that statement will change. We go play the ball. You don't tell us no win the match. We go for free with professional players. We buy professional players all over the world. We buy Jobba, they buy it all them. Christian, me they play that match. You say, I want to win the match, and that player is now materials. We win the match. We join hand together. All we. Because we defend the flag. Where our flag, the flag will come out free. The flag will come out free where our players they win the game. We take the flag, the run will come out free. We tell the man they say me repeat. Wait where we talk. Me can repeat that statement. Where we talk say we will not win the match. Say our independent be unrealistic. Me can repeat the match again. You go see him go run. And when one beat the match, we beat the match. And even one not will be your handicap. We handicap them. So the handicap means say, now me and you, we get to fight the war. Now me and you, the action for Ground Zero are because our boys for Ground Zero, they don't need to be determined to the fort. They don't need that we for react. They need diaspora for react. Me diaspora react. Then they see, when I see the action way our boys will do. That's it. That's what it did, my brother and sister. None of you know they more even forget for the reply. When we see diplomats, they respond like the security, the department for the IG, they're not supposed to reply. Me the level me people they follow diplomatic one debate where you consent defense where it other kind talk that diplomatic is you be quiet. Your action, you send action for Ground Zero. Me Ground Zero hit the next week you go hear newspaper report. Newspaper report already. Newspaper responsibility, play school. Newspaper responsibility, governor come out, Kumba, go boya, go pass, go do your activities, come back. Prime Minister come out, go boya, go back. I don't want to expect the ambassador me to say me to say we will win. Where it is see how a man come out, you know, because people they follow diplomatic mission, they follow country, they see what to happen, they happen. You know, see, say Prime Minister, he goes, yes, say Prime Minister, he go come back, he go for a arm. He say yes, that boys them. They will do so. Why you say Prime Minister go freely, come back freely. Atanganji go 2 times. Then he go conclude say, that means say, nothing need to happen. Nothing need to happen. We going to face the facts. Now that one now bring me to the key topic of the day, RPG. Where we will use RPG for fight our internal and external enemy for end the war. My brothers and sisters, we will know say this RPGs of stuff. No be an easy biscuit. See, we will try some time. We will be because some people in there they don't want to see bloodshed. They don't want to see explosive. They don't want to see this. But at times, more people go the watch programs them. We see what way this RPG did one because if you explode, see when La Republic might tell our Amazonian people one thing. They will use one RPG, La Republic to pass their tanker. That tanker will carry petrol. Tanker will carry petrol. When you launch one RPG, it scatter that tanker and then catch fire. The whole that area explodes. See, they will pack their backbone. Yesterday, some people in Granzelo, they call me. They tell me, say, they don't follow my program they follow my program. As I launch that program, this program for RPG, they be very happy. My brothers and sisters, me some people don't vex say we can't disclose intelligence. No, not disclose intelligence. Not disclose intelligence. We need RPG. And the RPG now me and you will watch so. Now who will provide them? Not na LGA or the internet government this. So we're going to tell the people what we want them. The people that buy the idea, then they contribute. Not na intelligence we sell. We need to say intelligence. We need to say no intelligence on social media. We tell ambassador people say, my country people, we beg una. We want RPG. Or we fit join hand contribute that money for buy RPG. Because if you go only for counties, LGAs, this it go slow. Yes, it was slow. So we need this stuff. So yeah, so we need this stuff. So these RPGs of the stuff, my brothers and sisters. That people they call me for my territory, they call me for Granzelo. Now, man, when you work military, yesterday me and you serious conversation. He tell me say when he watch that program where I talk about RPG, he will be very happy and he will contribute his own idea because he tell me say he be big man for military. He tell me say now the problem that way he did for the military now say the fear. He say what is it? He tell me say. My mark what? I will call you. I store his name in WhatsApp number. He said, they will use one RPG. We don't test now one. He said, we don't test two. We test one RPG. He said, motor you carry petrol the pass to Santa just freely. They will launch one that petrol motor with RPG one. He said, they will pick back. They start go them. They will pick back the goal. Now, by the way, if I talk say. The Canadian ambassador get right for talking the war be unrealistic because it's in the core. Even me, I will be ambassador, I will talk at you. Because governor no pass or Atanga Jiwe we hate city we die and the highest man will fight. Atanga Jiwe come on you are the go kumba. Alere two, he go come, they still go again. Tell me say if he won't go, we launch only one on top. On that convoy. We can even know say topography to the matter. If we see the southern zone, you see say when you say this boy they do this, topography matter. So if I talk say RPG, at the time I say me all the Amazonian, we start reasoning, all man start reasoning in that direction. Me all man start reasoning like a military man, very proactive. Me all man start reasoning like a military man. We not give some particular people their hand. We not give particular people their hand. If we want to end this war, we not ADF. You can attack we. If they be no say we get they also get money. When they kill our fighter now, it be shame for we because people ask say who's our war draft? He go. But when we start get highest sophisticated materials, the diplomatic language it will change. I don't talk say when I listen, people not going to use plenty language, they wait plenty hot. When we start use thing and use that material, things will change. The man tell me say military tell them. He said just a friend. He said just a friend. That friend say, but why would you waste time? Say, what would you waste time? Say, Arab in there. The country in there. Why would you waste time? Why would you waste time? While boys will only fight the fights, they master the terrain, and they get all the material they want them. Why would you waste time? I want to talk this one my country people. The Kumba LGA, where don't be put in place, it don't embrace towards that direction. And I want back say me, all the LGAs, they follow suit. And the back say me, all the Kumba picking them. Me, they can't join hand. We work with Kumba. We go towards the direction of that RPG. And they beg all the Kumba picking, they say, me, all we join hand. It will plenty. $50, $100, it will end the show. RPG get hit. You know how we buy AK, you get bullet them. If you buy 1 or 2, you start. If you start 1 or 2, you start buying the hit them. Una go hear damage. We don't need for the same military go attack our picking them. When military no say we there for you, they know will come. They know will come. So my brothers and sisters, I still beg, I still come again. Say that my brother he cry. I'm meeting my cry for down. He say, man, keep on talking. And I will talk this one RPGs every day. All the county heads will do embrace them. I want to tell you something. Any man will contribute. Any man will contribute for your LGA. Or you contribute for some group. Or if you want to form a group, because some people they say they don't want to contribute LGA with. If you have to decide for form a group for back RPG, you know want dash at the county, you know want down for the side, you know if you do one. My brothers and sisters will think in that direction. Any man where they will LGA, you go initiate the idea for your LGA. The chairman for them, all the different man, you know will see their behavior. If they behave differently, you know start thinking. Yes, because we belong to different LGA. I belong to Mugambo LGA. I know where to do Mugambo LGA. Mugambo LGA be capable of buying at least 2 RPG. I was thinking with them. No worry. I did Mugambo LGA be capable of buying 2. Because I know it they would now did it. So we see there. But now, if you go introduce this issue of RPG, when I go here, some different man will say, now how much you get? Now first of all, they say, you want to RPG, now how much you get them? First calculation, now how much people you contribute? No. That one is a very big wrong statement. No ask them how much people they contribute. As I said, the people decide, they agree, say move by the RPG. If yes, they will work towards it. If yes, so at the talking to one back all man, we go for our LG agent. We introduce the operation. So LG in the way that money will be enough, but when we don't decide, say na ye want them, go like rainfall, we will work towards it. Some people they will contribute at least 1,000 euros. Some people will contribute $50. One they will contribute. Every man will hear that operation RPG, and the first county where we launch RPG. Now we hear. I don't want the first discussion because and it also some people will use it now. Some people now will use them for attract more word draft. Because if we start now, we want to see action. When we see action, people be motivated. They will give life and hope for our people of Ground Zero. We give life and hope for our people of Ground Zero. When we take up ourselves, we don't start the fighting war for how many years? La République newspaper suppose the first topic of their headline, the headline news. Suppose to say, our restoration forces, they don't destroy this. Every day, the year say our restoration forces, they don't destroy this. The year say their headlines supposed to carry now our logo, everything. My brothers and sisters, not only this mixer. When I go for Eritrea, when I watch their materials going to be used during Eritrean War of Independence. When I see how they display the local material, there will be used this local explosive. We use Lifanse, we use Kenge, we use AK, we use this. When I go see material the way them be using. When I go see material the way them be using. Say when we start using only AK, we will go to nowhere. My brothers and sisters, we know we go nowhere. If we keep on AKs, we don't go to nowhere. AK good for backup. AK good for backup. For the war now. I mean for the war. Explosive and RPG. Just imagine. Say one day, you hear the Bafut, the Sabu Kata, they don't explode one Amoka. You hear for Bui. If you want hear for Kumba, you want hear for this, 1 year for this. Just imagine how many will we take up one day. They will pack run. When I want to do read history, people will read history. When I ask where America will withdraw itself from Vietnam, not because America need be strong, not because that will give them a lot of economic sabotage. They bring that will destroy America now minute by minute. America thinks no, they not really fix America will be very responsible by America. These people they destroy minute by minute. That may be destroy America in seconds. So we give us that thing in that directive. See, when we engage for this RPG stuff, because not all my start with social media talk about RPG. Some of we won't decide. Say anyhow what happen, we not die, we will die. We not pass the 1,000. The way they don't die for ground zero. If they look arrest me, say I'll talk about RPG, I say yes. I'll accept they say I talk about RPG. Say most supply of our boys on the ground here, they defeat La Republic for the 5 war. Them too, where they enjoy with the land, white man share blood, people they die. But in the all man, if you can stand for media, talk about this issue of RPGs. Some of who don't be the courage, we don't burn our face. I beg, we not join we behind. We not join we behind. We will see how we will end this war. And no say plenty people the way they want the war end, they are behind. Plenty, 99.5% people they want the war end. They didn't behind. And the people the way they don't want the war end. Plenty of them they don't show their face outside. They don't show their face outside, and they don't take money. They don't want me the war. They dancing and dance. See, some people they big with psychology. They don't say so in this country they don't fight war for 30 years. So if you mean every day 40 or 50 years, then if you want to dance, so then I don't my position. I don't enjoy them. Say I will die way the war no ever get independent. So now me and you we give act very fast. I don't talk at time and again. Say go to your LGA, tell them say Operation RPG. And you're here, we don't get money. How many people they contribute? Did this? Tell them say no. Move that as a target. We accept. If 10 people accept. If 10 people that accept, they want buy RPG. Now something for 2. If not keep out 2-3 months, now they buy them. When I say okay, this month I don't accept weekend. Now $10,000 now. So this month I'll give $250. This month I'll give this. This month I'll give this. This month I'll give this. You want to say, pap, $10,000. You don't enter. When I take RPG. 1 year say that governor the come out Bamenda the go outside. When I hear say when I don't hear now they go read the news before when I want to go Facebook. See RTV don't read the news say they don't ambush governor convoy. Governor be nowhere to be found. You don't shatter a vehicle. You will hear cry. You will not hear cry, my brothers and sisters. You will hear cry. You will hear say you will give lockdown. No mutoni evaluate lockdown because you know say we be well sophisticated. When we talk lockdown, no ant need to pass because if that mutoni carry tanker, they work on military. Where you carry tanker, you carry military. They don't know who's will ambush you know. They don't know. We don't never really pass. They will launch one for that tanker. All them for that line explode. All them they sleep. So why we will not think in that direction? Why end the war? I'll be very vexed and vexed. We're going to end the war. No man, no life will be in slavery. Our people will down. We don't make our people down. They don't suffer enough, and we're going to end the thing. And the diaspora, now our obligation for end the thing, and diaspora, the obligation for end this war. And we don't sacrifice, and not so don't sacrifice a lot, but we get to keep on. We get to keep on. We think in that direction. We all man will watch me here, share this video. We think in that direction. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.